Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. Wanted to show you in this video just a non-directional earnings trade. I've been having a really great time this earnings season trading into earnings or into earnings release, and I've developed a really great option strategy, a couple different strategies for doing this that are non-directional. So it really gives you the opportunity, to trade for really good profits 4 times a year during an earnings season when you have this high volatility, and you need this high volatility for these type of directional, non-directional type of trading strategies. So it's the ideal time to use this particular strategy that I've developed for using weekly options. So let me just show you a couple trades over the past month doing this one strategy. So what I've done is put together what I call the Earnings Game Plan Weekly Option course, and in this particular course you'll learn how to use a couple of different non-directional option strategies that I've put together that really rely on high volatility moves in order to make them work. And so it's ideal for trading a stock going into earnings. So here, just 4 trades over the past month using this particular strategy. You can see here's Apple. The entry was on the 23rd, the day the earnings were released. Got out 3 days later at expiration, 47% return on capital. And it's a defined risk type trade, so your risk is defined. It's using weekly options, so the cost is pretty low, and sometimes can be very low. And it doesn't matter. All you want to do is the market to go up or down hard. Chipotle Mexican Grill, 18th, out the 26th, 50% ROC. Baidu, the 24th of July, out the 26th, over 140. And just this other day, Tesla, the auto company, out in the 7th and out today at expiration for 11% return. But you can structure these things on different risk parameters, and so you can take as little risk as you want or a little bit more risk and increase your return, and just based on your risk profile. So it's a really cool strategy. I hope you'll take advantage of it. And if you're interested in something like this, let me just show you the promotion code before I go into the other part of the video. So all you need to do is just go to my website, powercycletrading.com, and /earnings, or you can go to courses and you'll see this. It's a dog with a bunch of money in his mouth, so you can't miss it. And when you check out, you just put, there'll be a code, promotion code, you just put OLT33, and you put that in small caps, small caps, not large, and it'll be $99. So it's a great value. If you do the trades right, follow the directions, you'll make this back really fast. So it's a really great deal. So here's a chart of Tesla. So this particular trade, Tesla's earnings were on the 7th, and I put these trades right on at the close. I really want to do it on those particular stocks that have weekly options, because it gives you the duration. You're into these things very short, and you can get the premiums are low based on the time value. And I teach all this in the course, and that's what I specialize in. I've been trading options since for about 26 years, and started trading weekly options back in 2010. So it's it's my specialty. And then after the close, earnings were released, and this particular strategy, the way I had it structured, was just for Tesla needed to close either above $142, or I needed it to close below $126 down here. So I didn't care, if it's up or down, just as long as it closed over 142 or below 126. And you can see it's going out here today at about 153. So perfect little trade, not a lot of risk to it, and 11% return. Now, basically, the long and short of this particular strategy is that you're using 2 different spreads. One particular strategy, which I did on this particular trade, is 2 different debit spreads, and then the other type trade is 2 different credit spreads. So the key to the success of this strategy is the amount of movement that you get on the underlying stock that you're looking to trade. So in this course, I teach you how to screen for the best stocks going into earnings, and then I teach you the structure as to how to set up the trade, as far as to construct it and how to set your outer limits. So it's a really great step-by-step process that I take you through, and it's very simple once you learn the steps that are involved. So that being said, I hope that you will join me in this earnings game plan course.